Viruses can be of two types. Types of virus. One is called DNA virus. You know that DNA virus, this means genetic material is what? DNA. Another is called RNA virus. RNA viruses are known as retrovirus. So there is no other name of DNA virus, but there is a name of DNA virus. RNA virus. And RNA viruses are known as retrovirus. Why it is called retro? What does retro mean? Old, yes. Just now I told you one thing. I told that genetic material can be DNA or RNA. So if they ask any question that which of the following is or are genetic material in biological world, DNA, RNA, protein. So you have to choose DNA and RNA both if it's a multi-query question. Sometimes it comes like 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, only 1. So DNA and RNA both are genetic materials in biological world, because virus is also part of biological world only. So in biology, DNA and RNA both are genetic material. But at the same time, you should understand that in our body, in our cell, in plant cell, DNA and RNA both are present, but in our body, RNA is not genetic material, it is DNA. So the same question, if they ask that in human body, which of the following is genetic material, we'll have to go with the DNA. Although we have RNA, but that's not genetic material. What is that? We'll talk about it. But if they ask the same question, which of the following is genetic material in biological world, then we'll have to go with the DNA and RNA, because viruses are having RNA as genetic material, right? So DNA viruses, example, pox virus and hepatitis virus. Few examples that we can go with that. Pox and hepatitis. Smallpox, chickenpox, cowpox, whatever pox it is. And I'll tell you one thing, rest of the name that you have heard in a normal, current affairs and everywhere, these all are RNA virus. You get my point? Let's say the most common coronavirus, उससे भी common HIV, polio, mumps, measles, Nipah virus, Zika virus, any kind of flu virus, any flu, influenza flu, whatever it is. Dengue, chikungunya. So these all are RNA virus, right? So these all are RNA virus.